Hello Athens! Ito na naman, usapang Thai people tayo. Isang Thai host at celebrity gustong matuto kung paano magsayaw ng Gento Dance Challenge ng SB19. Ito nga si Josh Colin, tinuruan ng isang Thai celebrities at host kung paano sumayaw ng Gento Dance Challenge. Narito ang cute na video at nag-enjoy si Josh Colin habang tinuturuan ang isang Thai actor, host or celebrity. Narito.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.